If you are looking for a fun and economical way to travel, then consider a camper remodel. With some imagination and a little bit elbow grease, you can transform a previously used camper into a custom designed home away from home. Here are a few tips to get you started on your camper remodeling journey. Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. We will share with you the news and views about all kind of vehicles and their fancy decorations. First, assess the condition of the camper and decide how much work you are willing to do. If the camper is in decent condition, you may be able to do some minor repairs and upgrades. But if the structure and appliances need extensive repair, it may be best to start from scratch. Once you have determined the condition of the camper, it's time to plan the remodel. Think about what type of amenities you do like to add, such as kitchen, washroom, and living space. Consider how much storage you will need and what type of appliances you will be using. Also, decide on a color scheme and any decorative touches you do like to incorporate. Next, it's time to start a remodeling process. Begin by removing everything that you do not need, like old cabinets, flooring, upholstery, and paneling. This will give you a blank canvas to work with. Then it's time to start adding new features. You may want to install new cabinets and counters, replace the flooring, and upgrade the appliances. Do not forget to add windows and doors so you can enjoy the scenery while you are travel. Here are some tips for remodeling an old camper. Number 1. Update the flooring. Install new vinyl flooring, laminate flooring, or tile to give it a modern look. These materials can handle the humidity changes that comes with the camper. For a rustic look, you can install wood laminate flooring or vinyl planks that resemble wood. Number 2. Add storage. Install overhead cabinets, underbed storage boxes, and hanging storage for clothes and gears. Space is limited in campers, so ample storage is important. You can buy RV furnitures and cabinets or use regular furniture items secure in place. Number 3. Improve the sitting area. Replace the old booth, dinette, or sofa with a small couch. Love seats or chairs. A drop leaf table can provide space for eating when needed. Swivel chairs will allow for flexible seating arrangement in small spaces. Number 4. Update the kitchen. Add a 2 burners or 3 burner stove, a small oven, and a dome sized refrigerator for cooking simple meals. Install a double sink, a filter faucet, and a cover to provide more counter space. Cabinets, drawers, and a countertop can provide kitchen storage and workspace. Stain or paint the cabinets to match your new interior. Number 5. Add bathroom storage. Place shelves, cabinets, and a medicine in the bathroom to store toiletries and linens. A shower curtain or door will make the shower area functional. New fixtures like a shower head, faucet, and a small vanity can improve the bathroom's appearance. Number 6. Replace lighting fixtures to improve ambience. Add skylights, roof vents, and window treatments for extra light and ventilation. Refresh the exterior, paint the camper, add new decals, replace old tires, vacuum upholstery, and shampoo the carpeting to give it a new look. Those are some useful tips for remodeling and updating an old camper. With some creativity, you can transform a vintage camper into a functional and stylish tiny home on wheels. Let me know if you have any other question. Finally, add any decorative touches you do like. Hang artwork. Add throw pillows and accessories with fun items like a hammock or outdoor furniture. Once you are finished, you will have a one of a kind camper that you can be proud of. Remodeling a camper can be a fun and rewarding experience. With a little bit of effort, you can turn an old camper into a unique and comfortable home on wheels. So, what are you waiting for? Get remodeling. Thanks for watching our channel. Hope you enjoyed your time. Please don't forget to like, comments and subscribe our channel for more information about vehicles.